In front of me is Motorola Razr 70 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off autocorrection. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to tap on System section available here. Then click on Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard, and finally Gboard. Once you're done, select this section called Corrections and Suggestions, and last but not least, use this switcher next to autocorrection. This way you can turn it off or switch it on. Quick tip, I always recommend to tap on autocorrection on the left and get access to this option called Undo Autocorrect on backspace. You can manage it thanks to this switcher. Personally, I recommend for you to at least try it because it's super helpful while using autocorrection. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!